Stop buying lawnmowers based on horsepower numbers and flashy marketing, because the truth is, some mowers look impressive in the showroom, then turn into expensive headaches a year later. Hard starting, weak cutting, dead batteries, transmission failures, uneven cuts, rust, cheap parts, endless repair bills. And the worst part? Many homeowners assume big brands automatically mean reliability. They don't. After analyzing Consumer Reports reliability data, repair technician feedback, and thousands of real owner experiences, 4 lawnmowers consistently stood above the rest in 2026 for durability, performance, and long-term satisfaction. These are the only 4 lawnmowers that come closest to a true buy-it-once-and-stop-worrying experience. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for your yard. These are the 4 lawnmowers in 2026 that come closest to a true buy-it-once-and-stop-worrying experience. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is best for your yard size and mowing needs. Let's get started. Number 4. Greenworks 254-8402. For homeowners who want the convenience of battery power without giving up the strength of a serious lawnmower, the Greenworks Pro 80-volt 25-inch model stands out as one of the most capable electric mowers available today. While many cordless mowers are designed mainly for smaller suburban lawns, this machine feels far more heavy-duty thanks to its larger cutting deck, stronger torque delivery, and extended runtime system. The wide 25-inch deck is one of its biggest advantages because it covers more ground with each pass, making mowing noticeably faster on medium and large properties. That extra efficiency becomes especially valuable during peak growing seasons when grass gets thicker and harder to manage. Unlike many lower-powered electric models that struggle in dense or damp grass, the Greenworks Pro delivers impressive cutting performance with strong blade speed and consistent power output. The dual battery setup also helps reduce downtime and gives users more confidence when tackling larger yards without constantly worrying about running out of charge midway through the job. Another major reason this mower continues gaining popularity is the low-maintenance ownership experience. Since it's fully electric, owners avoid many of the frustrating maintenance issues commonly associated with gas mowers, including carburetor problems, spark plug replacements, oil changes, fuel mixing, and gasoline storage. On top of that, operation is dramatically quieter, making it far more neighborhood-friendly during early morning or evening mowing sessions. Of course, there are still trade-offs. The upfront cost remains higher than many gas alternatives, and battery replacements years later can add additional expense. But for buyers searching for a premium heavy-duty electric mower that delivers real cutting capability, strong runtime, and modern convenience, this remains one of the best choices in 2026. Number 3. EcoPower Plus LM2156SP. Battery lawnmowers have improved more in the last few years than most people expected, and the EcoPower Plus LM2156SP is one of the clearest examples of how far cordless mowing technology has come. This mower helped change the perception that battery-powered equipment is only suitable for light-duty trimming or tiny lawns. Instead, it delivers a combination of strong cutting performance, impressive torque, quiet operation, and low maintenance that genuinely competes with many gas-powered alternatives. One of the biggest strengths of the EcoPower is how balanced the entire experience feels. The mower provides enough power to handle thick grass and tougher mowing conditions, while still remaining easy to use and comfortable for regular homeowners. Many users transitioning from gas mowers are surprised by how responsive and capable the machine feels during real-world mowing sessions. Another major advantage is convenience. There's no gasoline to store, no oil changes to worry about, no carburetor maintenance, and no frustrating pull start system. That simplicity alone makes lawn care much less stressful for many households. The Select Cut multi-blade system also improves mulching performance and overall cut quality compared to many lower-end cordless competitors. In addition, the Ego battery ecosystem has developed a strong reputation for reliability and long-term durability, which gives buyers more confidence in the platform. The mower operates far more quietly than traditional gas models as well, making it much more neighborhood-friendly. Of course, there are still some compromises. Replacement batteries can become expensive over time, runtime can be limiting for larger properties, and heavy wet grass may drain power faster than expected. Still, for most homeowners with small to medium-sized yards, this remains one of the smartest and safest battery-powered mower choices available in 2026.
Number 2. Toro Recycler 21466. The Toro Recycler 21466 has earned its reputation as one of the smartest value gas mower choices because it prioritizes long-term dependability over unnecessary gimmicks. Instead of loading the mower with overly complicated technology that often creates more maintenance problems later, Toro focused on proven engineering that consistently performs well season after season. One area where this mower stands out is its cutting versatility. Whether you prefer mulching, bagging, or side discharge, the recycler system handles all three modes extremely effectively without frustrating setup changes. The mulching performance is especially impressive because it deals with thicker or slightly overgrown grass better than many competing mowers in the same price range. Another huge advantage is how easy this mower is to maintain over time. Toro replacement parts are widely available, and most repair shops already know these systems inside and out, making future repairs simpler and less expensive. The self-propelled drive system also deserves credit for offering smooth traction and maneuverability, without relying on overly sensitive electronics that commonly fail on cheaper modern mowers. The deck construction and wheel assemblies feel noticeably sturdier than many budget competitors, which helps improve durability during years of regular use. Engine reliability is another major reason this mower continues to appear in reliability discussions, as most owners report very few serious problems when routine maintenance is performed correctly. Of course, this is not a premium luxury mower. It produces slightly more vibration than older high-end Honda models, and the overall refinement is not quite as polished. Still, for buyers searching for a dependable, practical, and affordable gas mower in 2026, the Toro Recycler 21466 remains one of the strongest overall value options available. Number 1. Honda HRX 217VKA. The biggest reason the Honda HRX 217VKA continues to dominate best overall discussions is that it avoids the biggest mistake most modern lawnmowers make, prioritizing flashy features over dependable performance. In real-world use, this mower consistently delivers the kind of experience homeowners actually care about: fast starts, smooth operation, clean cutting, and years of reliable service without constant repairs. The HRX 217VKA feels refined in a way many competitors simply don't. Its Honda GCV200 engine has earned an outstanding reputation for durability, low vibration, and fuel efficiency, which is critical because engine failures are one of the most common reasons people replace gas mowers prematurely. The cutting system is another major highlight. Honda's dual-blade micro-cut design creates smaller clippings and a cleaner finish, improving both mulching performance and overall lawn appearance. Many cheaper mowers leave behind uneven patches or visible grass trails, but this mower is known for producing a far more polished result. Owners also praise the self-propelled drive system because it feels smoother and easier to control than many competing models, especially when navigating hills, thick grass, or uneven terrain. Build quality further separates it from the competition. The durable deck construction resists long-term wear and corrosion better than many traditional steel deck alternatives, helping the mower maintain its performance over time. Of course, it is not the cheapest option available, and Honda reducing its presence in parts of the outdoor power equipment market has made inventory harder to find in some areas. Still, for homeowners who value reliability, cutting performance, and long-term ownership satisfaction, the Honda remains one of the most trusted gas lawnmowers you can buy in 2026. Here's what most buyers never hear before purchasing a lawnmower. The biggest factor isn't always the brand, it's maintenance. Even great lawnmowers can develop problems quickly if owners ignore oil changes, blade sharpening, air filter cleaning, fuel stabilization, battery care, and proper storage.
Another major issue is choosing the wrong mower type, since many people buy small battery mowers for huge yards or lightweight residential mowers for heavy commercial-style use, which leads to frustration no matter how good the mower is. Simplicity also matters because the more electronics, sensors, and complicated drive systems manufacturers add, the more potential failure points they create. That's why many older, simpler mowers earned such strong long-term reliability reputations.
So after looking at reliability trends, repair data, owner satisfaction, and real-world mowing performance, these are the 4 lawn mowers that stand above the rest in 2026. The Honda HRX217VKA is the best overall gas mower for balancing durability, cutting performance, and long-term reliability. The Toro Recycler 21466 delivers some of the best value and dependability in the residential mower market. The Power LM2156SP proves that modern battery mowers can finally compete seriously with gas equipment. And the Greenworks 2548402 remains one of the safest mower investments for homeowners with larger properties. At the end of the day, the best lawn mower isn't the one with the most aggressive marketing or the biggest engine numbers. It's the one that starts reliably, cuts consistently, and survives season after season without turning yard work into a repair project. And in 2026, these 4 come closest to that ideal.